So in this tutorial, I'll be taking you through the draft command in the dress up features, draft angle command under the dress up features. So basically what it does is it makes a face of the solid at an angle to another face, that is the draft. So let us check that out with an example. I want this face of the rectangular block to be at an angle to this face. To do that, I need to select draft angle. It's going to ask me the faces to draft. So I need this face to be drafted, that is the angle of this face to be changed, and it's going to ask me neutral element. I need to change the angle of this face with respect to this face. So the reference is the blue color face and the one which is going to change is the brown color face, and the angle is mentioned over here, that is 5 degrees. You can change that. Say if I want it to be 15 degrees, and now I can preview. So it is going to show me how the modified face will be, at what angle will it be. So I press OK, and it's going to modify the face, and it's going to change the angle of that face with respect to that neutral element. This is draft. You can do this for multiple faces. If for example I want all these 4 faces of the rectangular block to be drafted by 10 degrees with respect to this face, as is the case in many of the applications in terms of manufacturing, draft angles are used for easier removal and stuff like that. So let us do that. I select draft angle and I select all the 4 faces, and then I select the neutral element to be at the top, and I select 10 degrees as my draft angle. 10 degrees as my draft angle. I preview. So it's going to show me the planes through which the solid will be drafted. Then I press OK. So this is the result. So this is the draft command. Very useful and very much used in practice.